Hello guys, today we will make a short presentation of our new tool HU101. First, we start with what's inside. You have the tool. It must look like this: serial number, patent number. Also, we have a reset tool. First, we'll check the main components of the tool. This one is the tension wheel, this one is the gate, and this one is the back wheel. The gate is going back and forth, and the back wheel is going left and right. So before the reset, every time before we open, we need to reset it. But first, gate must be up and the back wheel must be right. Now we can reset the tool. In one side we have 4 of the pins, and in the other side we have 6 of them. So we just need to push the pins all the way, and all of them like this. And the other 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. The other thing we need to do before starting the opening procedure, every time we need to clean the tool. When we open, after that or before opening, we need to clean this part here and inside the pins with the alcohol. And most of the cases, we also need to lubricate the lock if it's very dirty. And that's how we will not have problem with the opening. Before we put the tool in the lock, again, the gate must be like this and the back wheel must be all the way right. Now we check which is the correct side to open. See, we have no movement here, so this is our side, because if we check this way, the gate is popping out. If you press here and the gate is popping out, this is the wrong side. We just put it like here. Now everything is okay. So before we open, it's necessary to open the gate. Now the tool is in working mode, and for HU101 locks we have 2 types of opening. One type, it's most common, is tension left, after that tension right, tension left, tension right. Sometimes with the lock like this is a Volvo lock, some of them, for example, it don't work left right, it works only right. So now I will show you this Volvo lock is one of the most difficult HU101 locks. So tension right, turn the back wheel all the way left, return it right, release the tension, and again do the tension only the right position. Sometimes the tension must be medium. With this lock the tension must be high. And we continue this procedure until the lock is open. Now we open the lock. If we want to read the code, we just go to the back wheel all the way left, jiggle it like this, the other side, and now it's working like a key. If we want to extract, we go horizontal, close the gate, return the back wheel in the starting position all the way right, and we extract. The last thing we need to check is the combination. Here we have 5 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So we check every one of the pins corresponds with one of the lines, and that's how we know what is the combination. If the pin is up here, this is 1. If the pins is all the way here, this is 5. We also check the other side, and we have all the combination. So if you have any questions, don't hesitate to contact us.